Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. I have been making cards probably since the new year, and I am now going to have a garage sale this Saturday, and I want to be able to sell these, but I've got to get them filmed. So this is going to be a series of the cards that I have made. I will give you as much info as I can. Some of them were created either in card class or during my little mini retreat. And so I might not own the products, so I will get the products listed. Now, normally I have my database up to date with all of the sentiment stamp sets and then the bundles that come with the dies or the punch. But alas, this winter we have moved into a home that we purchased. So I have been so busy trying to fill my home with stuff because we came to Florida and all of our old stuff is either sold or it's way up 3,000 miles away in Washington State. So bear with me as I do these walkthroughs, that when I do get them posted, it might be a little delay between when I post and when I get the full supplies list. And I will try to say whether or not I own the sets that were used here. So the first one I want to share with you is just, I've got this pile of them. It's just the first in the pile. There isn't any particular order to these. And it is a fancy fold card. I might back up my camera a little bit for you. Sorry for the shaking. And this one was done at my little mini retreat with some friends of mine that I enjoy crafting with. They came to visit with me, which was awesome fun, and why I have been so busy because I had to get ready for company. I can see that actually it goes this way. So there's this distressed text embossing folder here, and if you look carefully, the word that I look for is know, K-N-O-W, what. So that's how I know if I'm upside down or right side up. That's just a little tip for you. Perfect. So it is winter time here in Florida. Still sunny. We're in the mid to high 80s. Hub just went grocery shopping, and he says, boy, when it's warm out, the lizards are really active. So it is very warm out, but the rest of the United States is in the middle of snowstorms. So I am glad and feel very fortunate to be here. So this was a shoebox swap. Kathy designed it. She provided a bunch of materials so that you could do whatever you wanted to the overall design. So I chose the daisy with the little fuzzy center. Love this fuzzy center. I don't own the daisy, so I don't own the little center. And so I feel really fortunate that I had the opportunity to see this in real life. And it is just as cute as I figured it would be. It does use Dandy Design DSP here. That DSP retired yesterday. So your place to find it is on the secondary market. It was a celebration paper pack that was huge. I do have an extra pack. I'll probably keep the one that I've already broke into, and then the extra one I will sell off shares at some point over on the secondary market for retired Stampin' Up! Products. Then we have this lovely oval frame. I do have that die set. Again, all of these products, I will dig them up, and if they're still available, I will have them on the supplies list. So this is a band, and the way the card looks, oh, and then there's the little bee. I love then this gold and white trim. It is very nice. So when you open this, it uses the queen bee set, and it has the ability to have a little bend to it. I'm showing it vertically. So you start with a center. So it's just a normal fold. Then you add 2 extra score lines halfway along the back side, halfway along the front. Fold it down, and now you have a new front, which she then provided. You could use, she had 3 or 4 different embossing folders. I chose this particular distressed one. Then when you open it, it has more of the Dandy Designs DSP. I cut out the little honeycomb die cut as well as did the bee in Cajun Craze and then cut it out. She provided this wonderful thread, and then there is the, oh, what is it called? There is a die set that I do have. I own that, and I really like it. It has some odd shapes I was going to share with you. Beautiful shapes, I believe, is what it is, which is sitting right here. And I just wanted to point out the uniqueness of these 3 dies. They have some non-linear, just unique shaped little lines, 2 sets racing around the oval, then this squarish oval, and then the round also has these funky extra sets of lines, just an extra little detail that if you look carefully on the die, you can see the extra little racing lines, and I just really like how whimsical it looks and how non-regular it is. There is a wonderful, like a type with some splatter stamp that comes with the Queen Bee bundle, and this Happy Birthday is one of the new sentiment sets. I also have that, and I think I can't remember what it's called, but as I said, I will do the research and have all of the supplies listed. These sets, this set has like 3 different sizes of fonts, kind of all on the fancier side. Cursive, large, medium, small. This is the large, and it has your typical happy birthday, thank you, and a few others. And maybe congratulations, maybe just a note, just because, a couple of those. So kind of really generic. It's a very nice set to have. And then I went ahead and added these 3 little hex honeycomb inserts that were pop outs, and I also left one still on the little die cut, not wanting to pop everything out. And I just really, really like this card. It is wonderfully done. Kathy did an awesome job designing it. I will have some photography of it at the end. I am not sure. She did not talk about whether this was a card that was inspired by any other sources. So if she contacts me to tell me where she did get it, I will add that information to the blog article. Please leave your comments, questions, or concerns here on the video or over on my blog. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in episode 2.